let's project this drawing into 2D. As you can see now, it is in 3D. So what you're gonna do, there you go on new there. Then since the dimensions are in metric, you select that one. Then you go there, you say create. So now we're gonna choose our base. So that's one. Which scale? Let's see. 2 times. There. Okay, I'm gonna push this one inside a little bit. Okay, this one goes there. That one goes there. So let's say if we go 3 times, how does it look like? It looks okay. Then we say okay, now we need to give the dimensions. So first let's see what we have there. So from there to there, what we have, that is too small, so you can change that. Let's change it here. Sorry, manage, let's change it there. Please come up, and then we have it there. We come there, we say Arial, put Arial. Then we come here, you can say 0. Let's say 4. Enter. You say 7, close. There you go, big enough. Now we can now give dimensions freely, where we can still see that one there is 1.73. Okay, this one from there to there, that one is 0.73. Now this one here was 0.27. Come here. That one from there to there is what? 3.04. Let's go there. 3.04. Okay, and then those ones are 0.59. The same apply there. Okay, the same apply there. Okay, we don't need to give the measure that one anyway because we have that one, but I'm just showing you. So at least you have an idea of what you can do. So we have that one, you can give that one. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Take care of yourself, and see you on the next video. Bye.